Now.
Yeah, the one that's
Essentially, is the same
Okay.
suspicion of fraud and falsehood. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say further can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to legal representation. If you cannot afford, are you fine? Are you okay? Right. If you cannot afford, look at me. If you cannot afford legal representation, you can apply to the state for legal representation. Do you understand the right?
Yes,
Listen to
I
me.
understand.
Look at me.
No,
Do you,
I
no,
hear you.
sure. Do you understand the right that I can make? Thank you.
Can you please not place this food back? I was bringing the cake.
It's going to be rotten. Okay. Bro, make sure everything is total, every bag, total, everything. I want him, if there's something else, there's something else. It'll be fine. Okay. But you understand. No. You now